grand event, one of the biggest premieres you're going to see.
Okay.
And they will come because Jamaica, say they don't live for Nigeria.
Yeah, they didn't live for Nigeria again.
They don't relocate. They now live in Rwanda and Togo. Sorry. And they play.
Jamaica go beat you. You know say Jamaica
no, that's not fame. It not be like that in real life.
Also lives in London. James is in ATL at the moment. So they will come in and then we're going to come back as a team
together
on this show.
Okay. When be that one? Before the premiere or after the premiere?
20th and 26th.
26, okay, before the premiere.
Now, but after the premiere, sorry, if person won't buy, because this thing is serious. If person say they won't buy the, you go to DVD, abi? Now, if you enter DVD, how person go take notes in the original and where you go buy them?
In addition to that question, how you go take stop piracy?
Why should I answer them? The question pass you.
Well, the thing
or if you answer her own first of all, then
it's going to be out on DVD. If you see original DVD, you go know. But the thing is, you won't watch the film. You probably don't have money. The pirate knows say the original producers go put this DVD at 500. They'll put it on at 250. You will be pirated, we get pirated mind, you go buy the 251 because you just want to see the film. But this is an opportunity for me to tell you out there. The original is usually between 500 and you see it from the cover and the jacket and everything.
Yes.
You know, go for the original one. It's better quality, it's good for you. You're going to keep it for a longer time, use it to entertain your visitors even years after you've bought it. You know, so why you want to go buy the fake one? So, buy the original one.
Apart from, well, something where they go tell you, they go say, not be the same thing in this show, this one and that one, and they say they go tell you.
And some people say, no, even they ask question, go for it. We just buy anything.
They just buy anything where they see, go house, go watch. Now, make I ask you, apart from the Stalker, which other project you they work on? Or which other project you they work on? Which other project you they work on? Because I know see this guy is everywhere.
It's everywhere.
Yeah. The next film that's going to come out from Sneeze Films and some other partners is The American Driver. That one was shot, all of it was shot in America. It's about this crazy Oyibo guy where they drive Africans, you know. So
Not taxi man.
Not taxi man, but it's so crazy. You know, it's as crazy as Jim Carrey. If you know Jim Carrey.
Jim Carrey, yeah.
You know, this guy is like on the same level with him. So that's the next film that you're going to see from
What's the name of that one?
It's called The American Driver, now 100% comedy.
Now, who be the taxi driver?
The taxi driver is the Oyibo guy now.
Oh, now you born man, now be the person.
When they drive
the person. And now you go director. Man, but that. See Nigeria people don't direct Hollywood movie. They are father. Don't shoot and finish.
It's finished.
Jesus is Lord.
So that's from the stables. So that's what is in the cooler right now.
Hey. So, Caroline, what's be the things when they say they work on? What's be the things next project when they say they your face the remaining part of this year?
I have a lot of things on my plate right now to debut my acting career again.
You see, they speak English.
And then I get Facing My Demon, where I go shoot with just...
Say Facing Demon!
Facing My Demon.
Hey! Facing Demon, or what?
Where I go shoot with Moses again. That one is another blockbuster in short. Stalker is nothing compared to
So now you be the demon?
So, me and you.
We never the film. My sister, I can be your demon. I will agree to
your personal
my
demon.
personal PA. And I can't PD, personal demon. Who is she to you? She's my PD. My personal demon.
I hope I can stand up.
You can stand up, my brother. You can lie down, sir, if you want. Apart from the personal demon film, what thing you get?
I have my foundation. My it's called Hopefield Foundation for Children and Women.
Okay.
And then there are a lot of things. And then my acting career again is I'm starting it all over again.
Okay.
Then quite a lot of things that I'm still working on.
But why you take break? Why you even take break that time when you say you disappear, nobody just see your face? Why you take break? When you want to come back now?
I no go lie. I needed to take care of my children.
How many children you get?
3.
3 children. Are you this so now?
Okay.
He bless the person never get boyfriend, sef.
Nah, you know when you look into her eyes, like I can't
she be like Mary that time when say she no man. Anyway, Sneeze, for those who want to follow you on top social media, to follow up your works and everything, how to get other movies where you don't do and other things, how they could take follow you on top Instagram, Facebook.
Because not as they say, please let me Caroline Twitter. Wait him be the Twitter handle.
I know people go rush.
So Sheyi say, I think we should begin to change the narrative to people that buy pirated DVD are also victims of pirates.
Or scoff.
Victims.
Yes, they are.
No, not victims. Now them be the pirates too. Because if you they buy them, you they encourage the person where they sell.
Therefore, you have, according to Sneeze, you have a pirated
May I
hat.
talk? Oh, sorry, may I talk? When AY did his movie in the cinema, I didn't go to watch it. But when I was on the road, I bought the DVD. You know, normally some of us, we sell the movie. So I thought because it was immediately, that was AY's movie. It was now when I bought it, I can't realize I support piracy. So sometimes you don't go know.
Unknowingly, yeah.
Yes, you will not know. So I got off and I went back to the road and was telling those guys I was going to catch them.
Yeah.
Well, I won't find them.
For what traffic, I go say 30 days, 31 days in Atlanta. For what happened at 30? I mean, 40 days. I mean,
30 days.
They say that, no, 31 days. Yes. For this one, AY go back.
No, some people, they're very convincing.
Anyway, for those who are following on top social media,
Instagram is at @mo_sneeze, @mo_sneeze, MO_SNEEZE. But my name is Moses Inwang. Just if you search for my name on Instagram or on Twitter, my handle is going to come out.
Okay.
On Twitter is mo_sneeze as one word. Yeah, no underscore.
Tomato, you don't follow you on top Instagram, Twitter,
Instagram is Carolina_Hutchings.
Carolina _ Hutchins. Try the Hutchins, Ibiko.
HUTCHINGS.
Hutchins biscuit.
Yes.
Carolina _ Hutchins. The same thing for Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.
I know today they Facebook or Twitter.
Just Instagram.
Really.
Anyway, you don't hear it now. Follow Sneeze on top Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and also make you follow Caroline Hutchins for Instagram. Anyway, double toilet all of now. Call us double toilet all of now. When you send us message on top Twitter.
You don't even ask Easy Bit waiting and think. Easy Bit just quiet, just they taking a lot of.
Easy Bit Jordan. I didn't even snap picture with eye. They don't get like 2,000 copies. This guy. Anyway, tomorrow, hopefully, Easy Bit tomorrow, hopefully we'll get black face. Make it come tell us who they thief in song. How they take the thief in song.
Where in they keep it
Where
song,
in
where
they
they
keep
thief?
it, where they thief it.
Only him that they
thief in song. Ain't not blow with him. Meanwhile, those where thief the song they blow. Anyway, now good night.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.